So, you've never stamped before? I'm going to show you the differences between two different kinds of Stampin' Up! Stamps. The first one is a cling stamp, and it's rubber, and it's got a lot more detail on it. The other one is polymer stamp, and they're clear, and I'll show you how to use both of them. The first one I'm going to show you, we're just going to do this leaf. I'm going to put it on, and I'm just going to use black Memento ink. So you peel it off and stick it on a block. This is a D block. The thinner ones are what come with kits, but they're both the same. And just lightly tap it so you can see the ink on it, and then gently press. And there's your image. And then this paint in lavender has is kind of a two-step. I'm going to do some lavender and then the stems, and I'll show you why. So the same, you peel that off. This is a flat side and this is the textured side. Put it flat side down. Again, I'm just going to use the Memento ink. Lightly tap it. And stamp it. And then take another block. This is a C block. The same, put it flat side down. Get your ink. Tap it lightly. And then see, you can see through it so that you can sort of line this up. And it looks like the whole stamp goes together. Ta-da! Then I always cover my ink. And I have a Stampin' Scrub. This is also another Stampin' Up! Product. There's raindrops here and a sunshine here. And I take some Stampin' Mist. Now you can always, if you don't have the supplies right away, don't worry. Give it a spray. You can use a baby wipe or a paper towel and just scrub. Now it's clean, and then dry. And then scrub and dry. And then I took this one off, but I'm just going to stick it on the block because it cleans much easier if it's on the block. So scrub, see how clean it is? And dry. That's all there is to it to stamp. I hope you learned something.